Mama.
Baba.
Mama.
Baba.
Baba. Mama.
Baba.
I tell you every day, don't touch my chocolate. Don't eat my chocolate. Now tell me, who did it? You smell like cocoa, and you're way too quiet. You're all guilty. Criminals! No turning around. Hands on the wall.
Say mama. Mama. Come on, say mama.
What do you want from me, woman? You're not my mama. Where are your feathers and a beak, huh? Exactly.
Come here. What are you doing?
Kiss, kiss.
No.
Want to kiss, kiss?
No, I don't want to kiss kiss.
That's...
Did you just call me a bitch?
Hello, Sarah.
Hi.
Your boyfriend is cheating on you.
No, he's lying. Don't listen to him.
I'm telling the truth. I heard him yesterday talking to another girl.